can see it. A seashell cup.
Wow.
A seashell cup. Bubble poppers. I got bubble poppers.
Aw. Careful, careful, careful. Katie, honey, be careful.
My seashell.
Yeah. It's very heavy, so be careful, okay?
This is really fragile.
It is very fragile.
It's gonna really break. She sent it to me. Wow.
Very exciting. Hi, it's Tanya. We're opening your present. Oh.